Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to change the voltage mode from phase to phase mode to phase to neutral mode and vice versa in our analyzer. It is very simple. Right now the instrument is in phase to neutral mode. We have to press the set button. It is showing different options. We have to select different option using up and down keys. Now we are selecting different option. Now it is cursor is in voltage P2P or PN neutral mode. Now press that button. Now it is asking for which mode we want. So presently it is phase to neutral mode. Now change it to phase using up and down keys. Now new one is phase to phase. Now press the set button. Now it is showing the instrument in the phase to phase mode VRY, VYB, VBR and VPP, that is phase to phase mode. Here system page also it is showing voltage as phase to phase. Now if you want to change back to the phase to neutral mode, then we have to press the set button, select the different options as we are doing. Now we go to the voltage P2P mode and then we will make it to phase to neutral mode using up and down keys and finally press the set button. Now you can see the instrument is in the phase to neutral mode. It is showing VR, VY, VB and V, and here system it is showing as V average. It is very simple. Thank you.